How much was this 2024 Llama? $2.4 million. Anita, 2.4 million. Ay, umalis ka dyan.
Hindi, yun po.
Hindi, parang hindi na. Pag post mo dito ulit mo.
We made it, guys. So, nandito na tayo. We're in Burj Al Arab. And I'm with my good friend, Yusef. Let's go inside. Okay. And we're here to enjoy our time inside Burj Al Arab. Perfect. Grabe.
Yun.
Connect na muna. Grabe naman talaga.
We made it, guys. So, nandito na tayo. We're in Burj Al Arab. Look. And I'm with my good friend, Yusef. Let's go inside. Okay. And we're here to enjoy our time inside Burj Al Arab. Perfect. Grabe. Ito.
Wala tayong hinahabol na meeting.
Okay, so on the way. Okay, so medyo mas napalaban tayo sa presentation natin today with Dubai Islamic Bank. Ito sila.
Islam lang.
And anong masasabi mo? Nabigla kami. Matapang yung datingan ni
Joseph.
Ang pangalan nun?
Joseph.
Joseph. Ano masasabi niyo?
Medyo napalaban tayo sir ng mga 90% pero of course sir, iyan pa rin yan. Kayang gawa ng paraan. And of course,
Walang laban na hindi natin kayang
House speaker.
Mahirap nung una pero ano sabi nung dulo? Ano sabi nung dulo?
Sabi na nasagot naman daw lahat ng gusto niyang marinig galing kay sir.
Ayan, sabi niya.
I've decided, sabi niya. Akala ko yun I've decided na daw. Magaling yung presentation daw ni sir, sabi niya. Nung una, pa siya, ang dami niya mga question. Nung nag-present na si sir, grabe, nakakanga na lang siya. Okay. So, I've decided na daw. Go sir, tuloy mo na yung I've decided na sinabi.
Hindi, so ano siya, sabi niya, maganda daw yung presentation ko. Tsaka ma-impress siya na very hands-on ako sa business. Even though napakalaki na sobrang hands-on pa rin ako sa business. Kasi yung mga tanong niya, gaano ka hands-on, tinect din niya kung ano yung mga compliances natin. Pero nung pinakita na natin yung deck, kung gaano tayo kalaki sa Philippines, yung mga tech stack, kung paano tayo nag-ooperate, na-impress sila eh. So, and talagang need at necessary sa kanila. Kaya maganda yung opportunity dito. Kasi need at necessary nila na meron sila talagang collection agency partner sa Philippines. Kung pipitch lang tayo dito as an agency na walang kinalaman Philippines, mahirap. Dahil kasi anong point, ang dami ng mga competitors dito. So yun, ganoon ang setup nila dito. Ay, yun pala yung nangyari, sorry. Yun pala yung nangyari. Success. At makakain na kami. Makakain na kami. Susundan na namin kung saan si Kuya papunta. And Anita, sundan na natin itong motor. Sabi mo doon sa Sabi mo doon sa Lexus, pagdating sundan natin yung motor kung saan pupunta. Nagugutom na. Hindi pa kami. So usually, ang ano namin dito, mga meetings, mga 10 a.m., 11 a.m. So wala nang kain yan. Para ma-enjoy talaga namin ang pagkain after ng meeting, wala munang kain. Talagang focus lang sa meeting. Focus lang sa goal. Tama?
Yes.
Yes. The goal.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Focus lang. Focus lang. Hello.
Yeah, lunch buffet. Yep. Only breakfast.
Walang lunch buffet.
Okay. Alright.
Yun na.
Walang lunch.
Nakalis na kami. And kakain na. Hindi pa kami kumakain.
Lunch. For now, due to some, payment extensions, but we are recovering on that line, especially for the settlement plan. You mean, ma'am, the forecast? It's the forecast and project.
Tapos na kami sa jowa ni Anita. Pinatid na kami. Okay, saan tayo ngayon?
Doon, babalik na naman sa CC Center Dera Mall.
Yes, come on.
Medyo malamig ang panahon ngayon kasi makulimlim mo. So hindi gano'n katrik ang araw. Kaya lang naduduling na ako sa gutom. Wait, sandali. Okay, so nasa Dera City Center kami, di ba? Yung pangalan ng mall. Dera City Center. Imimit natin yung isa sa ex-Madrid. At pag ex-Madrid, nakakalat yan sa buong mundo. Kasi after Madrid, gumaganda ng career nila. So ito imimit natin. Ang pangalan niya si Boro. Marami may kakilala kay Boro. So nandito siya within the area kung nasan din kami. Imimit namin siya dito sa mall. Hanapin lang namin siya. Ano masasabi mo sa imimit natin?
Ay, mimit. Masaya na.
Ayun na si Boro. Ano na siya? Nag-gym eh. Tara na! Reunion namin ni Boro.
Bro, mamaya pa, ka na. Doon na parang airport ang dating. Yan. Ay, i-ready ko yung ano namin.
Tara, imimit natin si Boro.
Let's go, sir,
Ang
go.
isa sa mga OG na ano.
Yan na.
Boro!
May ano.
Video ah.
Basta sir,
Shout out.
hi Madrid.
So first time ko.
Ano?
Naka-record na. Sige, ano sabi mo sa akin? Sir, pumayat sa'yo mo.
Sir, pumayat ka.
Boro, para.
Tumaba ako.
Ano gusto mo? Matagal ka ba? Pwede ka ba?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Mamadali ka?
No sir.
The reunion.
Kantay lang off.
Ayun na. Boro,
Sir.
shout out.
Hi. Si Mr. E. Iniwan mo.
Namit mo na si Tere, di ba?
Ha? Nag-meet kami last time.
Kasama
Kasama ka.
Kasama ka na naman.
ako lagi.
Ito na yung biryani ni Kuya.
The main highlight.
The main highlights.
Oh, wow.
Kaiba.
Don't open it, brother. Wait lang. I'll just take the...
Kuya ni ano yun. Kuya. Oh,
Make a wish.
okay. Very nice.
Why no flame? Fire. Flame, malilim. Sa tumis.
Why? Go again. You put...
Wala.
Put it
You
back.
put back. Yes. Oh, remove
Okay,
again.
brother. One more, brother, for the video.
Oh, remove again. Okay. Again. Niloloko na eh. No. Thank you.
Number one, we are fully compliant with the regulations of the...
My love, let me explain to you one thing. When you will talk about numbers in Dubai, how many clients there is in death in Dubai in general in UAE? Percentage. Okay? Huh? They don't want Philippine. Nobody can. Philippines, you will show that you how much you're achieving, how you're smart, how you're strong. conference in the World Trade Center. No, the new one you have.
Hindi ako mapagtatanong dito.
So buti na ako kami ng schedule dito, Burj Al Arab. The only 7-star hotel in the world ba o dito lang? The world?
World talaga. 7-star in the world.
The only 7-star.
Tanong ko sa kanya.
Go ride the Rolls Royce.
Ride.
Take it. Go. They will take you for ride.
Ah, ride.
Right? Ay, sorry.
Grabe, lakas ng contact namin. So, akala ko sasabihin niya picture lang, which is very common. Pero sabi niya ride.
Around like you came by Rolls Royce to Virgin around.
Okay, so Dawi, make sure you hold this.
Mayaman.
And then take a picture of me. Dalawa no?
Mayaman.
So bababa ako, hold mo lang, and then lalabas.
Because I like you. What I do?
Who will be the one to drive? Who will be the one to drive?
This
You
one?
the drive? There is a driver, not you.
I think I'm the one to drive.
Not my seat. I
Kaya
should have
nga eh.
brought my seat.
Are saved in the in your...
Already gone.
Wala
No,
na.
I don't have the shades. Bro.
Wala. Ay, siya daw. Ay, si Sir lang daw.
Do you have shades?
Mag-picture tayo.
Sasakay.
Sasakay.
Ay, wala ka picture lang.
Nauna.
All of us?
All of you, yes.
All of us.
Where's my right? Sir,
Lahat pala tayo, sir. Eh.
Ito na, nagkakagulo na. So Rolls Royce.
New Rolls Royce 2024 model.
How much does a car cost?
Car cost is 2.4 million.
$2.4 million. Anita, 2.4 million. Ay, umalis ka dyan. So this is the brand new 2024 Rolls Royce.
Set in the front. There is.
The back or in front? The back.
Which one do you want?
Which one would look nice
Up to you.
from the back?
Sarap ka na. Okay.
You in the back.
If it's going to be a ride, it should be just by myself. So go there and then take a video of me going down.
Yes, why you?
With Yusef. Maybe the two of us. So we,
First, already.
Sit in the back, both of you.
You're the guest. Let them to. At the back. Come sit in the back. At the back. At the back.
Okay.
I have an appointment with the prince.
Okay.
I will make the round. You can come and take the video.
Ano daw?
Saan daw?
Dawi, sa likod mo. Lago.
I will make one round.
Yeah.
We can open for this.
Ano daw?
Normal will be open.
Wait. For a while. Okay. Our boss. Okay. Mashallah, mayaman.
Wow. So
This
luxurious.
is brand new. It's only,
Brand new 2024.
Only 2024. Only 4,000, 5,000 kilometer only run. It's a
This one.
brand new car.
Yung cellphone mo, sir, sa kanila.
Yun na.
Yalla, go there in the entrance. Stand there.
This is for what level of clients that you have here?
This is any kind of level is ready because you want to pay for.
They pay extra to use this one to go outside.
If you pay money, then they will.
How much would it cost?
The cost is 1,835 dirham. 1,800.
For how long?
Only for the drop off. If you're going from here to Dubai Mall, here to Mall of Emirates, the cost is same.
Same.
To the airport.
Just for the drop off.
Only one way.
One way, and then you leave them there.
Yeah.
Does it usually work like they're going to events, or sometimes they just use it
No,
normally?
we are picking up the guest from the airport. We are dropping the guest in the Dubai Mall, and we are dropping the guest in the restaurant. Some guests want to go to now address Skyview. They book the restaurant there.
Yeah,
We will drop
yeah.
them there. So the charges is same, 1,837 dirham for one way, and pickup also same.
Pick up.
And after dinner, you need a pickup, so they will charge the same. This is a brand new. We have a lot of customers taking in our car.
Yeah.
I will make one round, then
Yeah,
I will
take
stop
one
it over there.
For the brand new.
Brand new. This is
We have cameras all over. Look,
This
Yusuf,
is
oh,
only
see?
2 month old only.
2 months only, 2 months old.
They have changed oil. I think they have 5 pieces, yeah?
Yeah. We have this one is 4 and the new old one is 5. Total 9.
Total.
Okay. We made it, guys. So, nandito na tayo. We're in Burj Al Arab. Look. And I'm with my good friend, Yusuf.
Let's go inside.
Okay. And we're here to enjoy our time inside Burj Al Arab. Mashallah. Perfect. Grabe. So, I don't know what to say. Nag-start na kagad sa isang malupit na na Rolls-Royce ride. Very exciting. $2.4 million. Imagine mo, $2.4 million. Magkano sa peso yun? 2.4 million dollars. Para mga 150. Ha? Ano ka ba? 1 million is 60. O 120, 100. Hindi lang eh, 2.4 eh. So kalahati na eh. 'Di ba? Oh, 612. 150, around 150 million. Around 150 million yung Rolls-Royce na yun.
See the fish.
They still change the hotel for the last 25 years, no?
Nothing. Nothing changed.
The
Nothing.
aquarium, everything's the same.
Everything the same. Where's my ticket?
Oh, don't worry. I'll send you the ticket. You want?
Cargo Village, yeah? Cargo Village. There is an event happening now. This is for Ramadan. Ramadan tent. If I go to Philippines, I have to go now.
What's yours?
I think if you want the best restaurant to really enjoy with your wife, you have to come to Swansal.
Ito na, grabe. Nagkakaigihan na talaga. Ayan. May kiss pa. Ay, naghalikan. Naghalikan. Grabe, ano na talaga. Nagkaigihan na. Ito na, nagkaigihan na talaga. Nagkaigihan na talaga sila. Grabe, mahal na talaga. Ano na?
Grabe lahat ginagawa ka para kay Anita. Ayun,
Sa number 26.
number 26, wife. Ito na, pakita mo sila. Ano na
Ay,
sila?
naghalikan. Ay, grabe. Ginakap. Ay, grabe. Ayun, di ba? Di ba? So, kung pumunta kayo sa Dubai, alam niyo na galawan, no? Anong
Grabe.
message mo
Sa mga susunod, galingan ninyo. Charm lang yan. Kaya nyo si Miss Anits, tingnan nyo.
Let's go. I will give you 3 of you. Yalla.
So nandito kami ngayon sa Burj Al Arab. Nandito sa pulo ando pa sila Anita. Nandito pa kami ngayon sa Burj Al Arab. So nandito lang kami for a 1-day tour visit with a local friend. And ang dami lang thoughts na nasa utak ko, mga bagay, mga information na na-pick up ko while being here. All the new contacts, partners, relationships na nakilala ko. Different stories, different opportunities from anywhere from local emirate, foreigners living here, other nationals, mga Filipinos working here, Filipinos doing businesses. So ang dami lang information na nasa utak ko. So half of my brain, I'm still trying to enjoy being here. I'm still a tourist. The other half of it, medyo pinaprocess ko na sa utak ko, like all the opportunities, what we can do here, what I can do here. If it will be a short-term, mid-term, long-term plan. We have so many plans in the Philippines at the same time. We have also opportunities here. Hindi mo makuha yung opportunity dito, like all the conversations. Hindi mo, imposible eh. Like people just trust other people. Hindi pwedeng everything's just Zoom. May mga AI ka na sila nakausap. It's nice to do automations in our businesses to basically automate yun lang, yung siguro yung generation of businesses and opportunities. Pero other than that, syempre na-enjoy mo rin na nagkakaroon ka talaga ng local connections. Tsaka nakakausap mo talaga sila. Tsaka na-feel din nila sa'yo back and forth. Sincerity, talent mo, competence mo. Maraming bagay that you really have to measure person to person. At yun yung mga bagay na na-feel ko dito. I don't know kung yung feeling ko ba just being a tourist here kaya ako na-excite or iba pa to once I'm really settled here in Dubai. But right now, I'm just enjoying everything. Ganda dito. Ganda pa ng weather. Somewhere, malamig siya sa gabi, mainit sa umaga. At ito, Burj Al Arab. Tapos andun yung, I'm not sure kung Marina na yan o JLT. I think. So, turista pa rin ako. Sorry. Correct na lang ako. And all the other skyscrapers. Tapos itong katabing hotel. Hindi rin ako familiar. But it looks nice. And yun lang. Very excited. Nervous. And ang dami lang tumatakbo sa utak. So yun lang. Hopefully for the Filipinos din, nandito, Filipino community. Hopefully to get a lot of new friends, communities, and support sa ating mga kabayan. Yun lang. Dito tayo sa Dubai. Yung mga parang napapanood natin sa pelikula. Tapos nakatingin na sila sa dagat. At nag-i-imagine kung anong future nila dito. Yun lang.
Come stand here, in front of me.
Looking where? Here?
It's up to you. Look up. Do like. Look here. Say hi.
Tilapia.
Hindi tayo nagpunta sa view deck.
I will try.
May view deck dito eh.
Si Anita, oh. Sana si Anita. Ano yan? So finally, natapos na rin tayo dito. Gabi na, it's around 7 p.m. Burj Al Arab. With the Bentleys, Rolls Royce.
Take picture with Rolls Royce.
It's been a long day, every day.
Yes.
现在不走，现在吃饭，
You have to.
待会儿给你们发一个。
Okay, so we're ready done. 7, it's around, what time is it? Siguro it's around 7 p.m. Almost 7. Yeah, let's go.
I have more. You can get another buggy. I have more there. Where they are?
They're there, that one.
Dawi! Big video outside.
Tatabi niya.
Kandong daw, kandong.
Come, baby.
Come, baby. Baba.
Famous one. Famous one.
Who is famous? This guy?
Him. Yeah. Yeah. Number one.
Number 1 famous?
Yes. Anywhere he comes to Burj Al Arab, everybody knows him.
Yeah, it looks like it.
No break, no stop, nothing.
Ito ko. So dito na kami pupwesto for the night. Medyo malamig. One of the most famous restaurants dito sa Dubai. Dito rin within the property of Burj Al Arab. Ano? Documentation go.
Ha?
Documentation.
Grabe, nandito kami sa 7-star hotel sa Dubai. As in, grabe yung feeling ng Burj Al Arab vibe. Super luxury talaga. First time ever.
Look at us. Look at my video. Go out.
Welcome to Dubai!
It's Dubai
Okay, coming here, bro.
Yes, you.
Sir, sabi ko, yung ba din Devon Ligawi pala?
Liban.
Liban na liban. Liban na liban.
You know the juice a while ago? The spinach.
Ayun na yung ano eh,
Take from the sea. Come.
This
I will
way.
throw you in the sea.
Ito na oh.
ay isda nga. Isda nga.
Okay, may boat ride kami dito pa rin sa Burj Al Arab. So ito yung area, like the new modern hotels sila. And then there's a free ride here to go around. Kasama sila. Tabit.
Bilis natin. Tayo agad.
Here. And then. Why everybody in the back?
You told me to gutom tayo.
Yes, one person this side, so make balance.
Go.
Thank you.
Dita.
Masyala ka.
Only this is the word you learn. Want to go fishing? Here, have a lot of fish. So the camera can capture it easily. Not really. Then continue there.
May golf malapit dun sa pinuntahan natin.
Meron din ako nakita eh.
Malapit to. Ito pa isa sa
So we are in a relaxing boy ride. Boat ride.
Boat ride.
Nasa utak ko joy ride tsaka boat ride. Naging boy ride. So we are in a relaxing boat ride dito sa loob ng area pa rin ng Burj Al Arab. Tapos talaga ma-appreciate mo dito kung grabe yung ano nila, yung mindfulness nila sa aesthetic, sa design, sa infrastructure designs nila. Talaga makikita mo ang talino tsaka ang sinop ng pagkakagawa nila. Hindi siya bara-bara lang na ginagawa nila yung mga infrastructure sila dito. Appreciate ko yung buong ano. Tapos hindi rin kami makakapunta dito, makaikot kung hindi rin namin kasama si Yusef, our local friend partner. Kasama rin si Dawi.
Yo.
Yung realtor natin dito. Ano ka na ngayon? Walang necktie?
Boatman ako eh.
Boatman.
Parang tinitignan parang hindi maluwag sa malayong
Ha?
Pag sa malayo mo tinitignan, yung Burj Al Arab, parang gusto ko nito.
Ang laki. Hindi ko in-expect na ito pa pala area niya. Akala ko yun lang yun yung hotel na yun.
Ay, ito na. Kararatan.
Ay, ito yung ganda.
Wow! Picture.
Photos nice.
Inaalikabok na. Inaalikabok na nga. Oh. Wala nang ano, wala na may-ari. Ano na? Join na kayo.
See, you come here, you do like this, you stand, put your pet here, only here. You put your pets.
Ay, babe. Come on. Okay dyan, baka masagasang ka.
Those horses? Yes, baby. 24 karat, come.
Yung mga kabayo gold-plated. 24 karat. All of the horses. Yan.
Go there, show the lights, see? When I come here, see the lights? Come to my face.
No need?
Anita, Ivy, all of the horses are gold-plated.
Ay, is it true? This one is true.
They're all gold-plated. So you can bring one home.
Alright.
Just put it.
All.
Oh, nice.
How many horses there?
Don't check his titty, huh? They're all male. Female, huh?
Either or female. Oh my god.
Okay. Come to the right. Come to the right. Come to the right. Perfect. You're in the center. Go over a little up. Up. Down. More.
Oh. Shuhada. So usually I compile still videos as well and put it in a vlog.
Okay. Madam, Bella.
Anita, Dawi.
Hi.
Inshallah.
Mashallah.
Mashallah ka.
Hello, good evening. Tuloy.
Skyspace.
Jeff, Jonathan, ito na. Ano na, ready na tayo dito. Kinausap na namin nila Anita. Oh, may dalawa na kami.
Oo nga, dalawa.
Magkano komisyon namin dito? May dalawa na kami. Tsaka contact na rin namin. May contact na. May contact na rin kami dito. Kala nyo, kayo lang. Di ba? Partida, wala pang plaka na narepo namin. Kakalabas pa lang. Kakalabas.
Lumata scanner mo dito, sir.
Land cruiser na yan,
Kakalabas pa lang ng Toyota na repo na kagad nila Anita.